Welcome to the Move Overlimit Vehicles Efficiently Maine system, also known as MoveMe user tutorial videos. This video will guide you through setting axle weights and spacing in MoveMe at MoveMeMaine.com. This and other tutorial videos can be found on the login page via the MoveMe tutorial videos link. MoveMe users must enter axle weights and spacing when specific configurations for vehicle type, axle count, and loaded weight are exceeded. Please note that axle weights and spacing represent how the vehicle is configured, and misrepresentation of vehicle axle configuration is an enforcement action. After entering the required information on the Vehicle and Load Information screen, click the Enter Weights button when it appears. The Set Axle Weights screen will be displayed. Enter the total number of axles for the vehicle in the Number of Axles field. Enter the spacing for each axle in feet and inches in the spacing columns for the respective axle number. Please note that axle spacing is based on the measurement from the center of the axles. In the weight column, enter the weights in pounds for each axle in the corresponding axle number column. Once all information is entered and checked for accuracy, you can view the configuration based on the information entered by clicking the Display Configuration button. The axle configuration may be viewed by either side or top view. Select the Side Radio button and click the Display Configuration button to view the configuration from a side view. Select the Top Radio button and click the Display Configuration button to view the configuration from a bird's eye view. Clicking the Cancel button will clear and reset all axle information entered. After all information is entered and accurate, click the Validate Weights and Close button. This will bring you back to the order permit process to continue the application. This concludes the MoveMe user tutorial video on how to set axle weights and groups. Thanks for watching, and don't forget more videos are available for your convenience.